Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here from Squirrel Mills Farms. It's February, I think about the 20th, and I noticed that at nighttime, especially when I come into the sitting room and I sit, that I've been sneezing so much more and coughing. And coughing for me is an allergic reaction to scents and things that I'm allergic to. One of the things I'm allergic to is Daisy, a long-haired dog. She's locked out of my bedroom. She can't sleep in my bed anymore because I can't sleep. All I do is cough all night long. Well, I noticed that when I come into my sitting room and I sit down, I immediately start sneezing, and then coughing. So then I looked. What is on the floor right beside my chair? The furnace duct. Wonder when the last time was that I cleaned the furnace filter. Before we head downstairs, there is the cold air return. So it's right in the path where Daisy walks all the time. So when it's on, it's probably sucking all of her hair bunnies down into the furnace. So here we are down at the furnace, and in between, there is the furnace filter. Oh my gosh. Holy. I've got enough hair in this filter. I could make another dog. Oh, let's put a new one in. Okay, so I put a new one in. It's so easy, and I buy them by the case. I don't know why that one got so dirty, but let's see if tonight, when I go to watch TV, let's see if I cough and sneeze. Betcha I don't. So it doesn't matter how much hair you shed there, you're still my girl, and I'd never get rid of you. Even though you make me cough and sneeze. I love you, girl.